Hi, Bruno here. Welcome to Spainguru. Can you change from a non-lucrative visa to a long-term residence card? Let's see it. There are many doubts that our users share on our Facebook group and our question and answer section regarding changing a non-lucrative visa or residence permit to a long-term residence permit. Can you change from an NLV to a long-term residence card? Do you have to prove financial means? The authorization of temporary non-lucrative visa is a permit that is regulated both in the Extranjería law or aliens law and its regulation that recently changed in August 2022, and that is granted to those people who can prove that they have sufficient economic means to live in Spain without having to work. Read our blog post, Is it possible to work remotely on a non-lucrative visa? You will find the link in the video description below. Renewal of a non-lucrative visa. Normally, residence cards have a fixed duration. The first non-lucrative visa will last 1 year, and its application must be done personally at the Spanish consulate in the country of origin. So, this first non-lucrative visa will be granted to enter Spain. As in most residence permits, this initial authorization is temporary, which will be granted for a period of 1 year, as we said. The non-lucrative residence may be renewed, provided that the renewal requirements are met. The renewal would be granted for 2 years, and again, after those 2 years, it could be renewed again for another 2 years. Therefore, the total would be 5. After the year 5, you can apply for long duration, which is renewed at year 10. Then you could apply for citizenship if desired, or just remain a long duration resident. All renewals must be done in Spain. Can I switch from a non-lucrative visa to a long-term residence card? The answer is yes. You can change your card. Once you have reached the 5 years of legal and continuous residence in Spain, you have the possibility of obtaining long-term residence. You will go from being a holder of a temporary authorization to a permanent one. One of the most important differences is that when obtaining the long-term residence card, it is not necessary to prove economic means, nor that you have worked during the previous 5 years, or that you have had economic resources the previous 2 or 5 years. Regarding the application of a long-term residence card, the officials are going to verify that you have renewed our non-lucrative residence cards correctly in time and term, and that during those periods you have been in Spain on a regular basis without interruptions. You must be very careful about our time outside of Spain during the 5-year period. You might not exceed 6 months in a year or the sum of 10 months outside Spain in the 5 years of legal and continuous residence. With a non-lucrative residence, you will be able to make the change to a long-term residence card or long-term EU card. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button so you don't miss any of the new content that we upload to the video. And if you need expert advice, just go on Spainguru.es. You will find immigration lawyers. You will find also tax experts if you need to file taxes in Spain and also in the USA. You will find also relocation services in Spain, apostille services from the US, sworn translators, and health insurances when you apply for non-lucrative visa, when you apply for golden visa, student visa, you will need health insurances as well. And we also offer certificate of good health for the UK residents. And also if you need to go back to the States and you need a health insurance, we also offer those health insurances too. And of course, if you want to be part of a community, please join our Facebook group, Spain Immigration and Residency Questions, Spainguru.es, with more than 16,000 members, where you can ask any single question related to Spanish immigration issues, and you can do it also anonymously. You can also join our non-lucrative visa group with more than 800 members, our Spanish digital nomad visa group. Very important, last but not least, please subscribe to our newsletter. You can opt out anytime. We send this newsletter every single Monday morning, and we feature top discussions on our community and any news related to Spanish immigration. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. I wish you a great day. This is Bruno from Spainguru.es. Goodbye.